Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Zelle on your iPhone or Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up the App Store, or if you're on Android, you want to open up the Google Play Store. And then you want to come down to the bottom right where you see the search icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Then go up to the search bar at the top, and in here we are going to type Zelle, like so. Unfortunately, this app is not available in my country. That's why I can't download it. But if it is available in your country, you will see an install button. You simply have to tap on that install button and your app will be installed. Once it completes installing, you will be able to open the app up. That's going to open up the Zelle app, and you can go ahead and click on where it says Get Started. It's going to ask if you would like to receive notifications. I'll click on Allow. Next, it's going to ask for your mobile number. Then it's going to ask you to agree to the privacy and security terms. Next, you're going to need to add in your bank. Go ahead and just search your bank name at the top. A lot of banks actually have Zelle built into them. For example, I have Chase Bank, but the app already has Zelle built into the app itself. So if you have a bank account that has Zelle built in, you're going to have to just use that app for Zelle. If not, you can also just use this Zelle app. Once you go ahead and connect your bank account to your Zelle, you're all ready to get started, and you can go ahead and start sending and receiving money with Zelle. So that's basically how you can download and install Zelle on your iPhone or Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.